Hello guys, welcome back with the last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper. No, today's newspaper. We have no today's newspaper because today is Sunday. January the 2nd, 2021. We have no newspaper, so I've decided to solve the additional of Tuesday, October the 12th, 2021, and we have one puzzle left. That's the tectonic one. Yeah, the other three puzzles I have done earlier today, and today the last puzzle will be the fourth and last puzzle, number 39. This is a 2-1. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16, I believe. Yes, 16 printed digits. 16 printed digits. Okay, 16. Should be an easy one because for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? I see here only one single box. Single box is always a 1. Dual box, I see here dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. Here another dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes. I see here a triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 1 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be the 2 and the 3. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the inside box, the inside box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Okay. More triple boxes? No. I see here a quadra box. I cannot fill this yet. Here another quadra box. I cannot fill this yet. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it. For example, the L shape. We have the L shape mirrored. Yes, this is the L shape mirrored. Let me draw this here. Okay, we have an L shape. Remember, if you see the L shape, this box has always the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Okay. If you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Here we have a T shape. Let me draw this here. Okay, the T shape. If you see this kind of shape, the T shape, this box has the same number as that box, and it's already filled in the 2's. Yeah, so this box has the same number as that box, and also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, the T shape. Do we have more T shapes? No. Then the following shape, this kind of shape. Okay. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay, so this box is the same number as that box. Okay. And those are the shapes or figures that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 4. We have only 4 in this puzzle. There are more, but not in this puzzle. Only 4, yes. So the next step is, the question is, why do I need to recognize those shapes? Because then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So the next step is, let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, let me mark those. 3 and 5. This box cannot be A1, that box cannot be A1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes cannot be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be A1, this box cannot be A3, so the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 1 here, because if I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here, so it should be a 3, this box. Okay, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Okay. So I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5, it should be there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore, that box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 box left in this quarter box for the number 4. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, this box cannot be a 1, this box cannot be a 4, so the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4 in this quarter box. 1 box left for the number 3. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. But we already have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 4. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 4. 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be for the numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5, that box can also not be a 5. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Okay. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, and the 4. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 3 and the 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 5, 3 and the 4. Okay, then. These are 3 boxes. Surround a 4, can it be a 4? That box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 2. Then. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 1. This box can be a5, that box cannot be a5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. Then these 2 boxes can be a5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, what's happening now? The 2. Am I stuck? I do not know. 2, 3, 1, 4 or 5. Okay. This box cannot be a2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2, 3, 1. Okay, 4 and 5. Come on. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Okay. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay, this box cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. This box can be a 2, we have a 2 over here. So the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 5. So the only place left for the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. This box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Same for those 2 boxes. So here cannot be a 2. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left for the 3 and the 1. Well, this box can be 3 because we have a double 3 there. So the 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4. Oh, wait. 1, 3. Well, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Okay. I think this box should be a 5. No. Yeah, 5. Because it can be 1, can it be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. And I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. Well, now we have a 5 there, so this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the quintuplet, for the killer Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Monday. Another day, another extra puzzles, I hope. Yes. Bye bye for now.